So this is how you set up the text on these buttons. These buttons correspond to one of your slides over here. The first thing you want to do is make sure that your slides have titles on them based on what is on the slide. So you'll notice that all of these have different titles on them. Some of them are longer titles, some of them are shorter titles, but they all have a title, including the empty ones. Where it says title 24 on this one, this corresponds to one of these buttons. The way that you can figure out what they are and the way that you can label them is like this. I've added some titles to, for instance, title number 17 or slide 17. If I click on the border, the black part of this button or this rectangle, it'll show me what it's called. Slide 15, Dragon Head. So I'm going to double click on this text and change the name of this to Dragon Head. This won't work if the title on the slide itself doesn't say whatever it's supposed to be. Also, since it's larger than the button here, I'm going to select this text and click the down arrow or the minus so that the text fits inside here. The other thing you can do is you can abbreviate this. This one says Teen Boy, but the name of the slide actually says Teen Boy Front and Profile. You'll also notice that when I roll my mouse over this text, it shows me what the entire slide is titled. So it's okay to abbreviate it. This one is just Teen Boy, and actually it should say Teen Boy Face. Here again, I'm going to select the text and make it smaller so that it fits inside the box. Same thing with the girl, Teen Girl Face. Select all the text, hit the minus button until it all fits in there. So make sure that your text in your title slides, or excuse me, on your index slide, matches what the title is here. This way, when we look at the slideshow on your website, we'll know which one to go to. So that one obviously needs to be changed, as well as that one. And that's the last one that I've added. The other thing is, as you update, as you add slides in here, whatever the most recent slide is, in this case it's going to be slide 17. So on this particular slideshow, this is the most recent drawing that has been added. So I'm going to go to the very first slide, and we added this button before. So I'm going to click on here, go to the link. I'm going to go to slides in this presentation, and I'm going to go all the way down to Tiger Head. Notice how this one says title 24, 25, etc. So this is the most recent one because I've labeled it. So now when I look at the slideshow, as I'm looking at your work, all I have to do is click Newest, and it goes to the most recent drawing. And that way I can add it to the gradebook quickly. If you have any questions, you can review this presentation, this video, and remember that you can pause it and rewind and forward wind so that you can go through it quickly and review it.